Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing our Read Write Ink lesson 1, which is introduce the new sound. This is for the yellow group. We're going to be recapping the sound that we were learning last week, just because we had a few people off and we didn't get to finish the whole of our Read Write Ink lessons for that week. So you might have guessed already, but the sound that we're going to be practicing this week is cious. 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 And this is quite a tricky sound because this sound, you can spell it two different ways. Cious, you can spell it out t, e, o, a, s, or k, e, o, a, s. Really tricky, this one. But the sound that it makes is cious. Cious. And on the back, we have got a dog having his bone, and he's saying in his head, scrumptious, delicious. I think he's enjoying that. Miss Brown has also got some words that has the sh sound, the shiss sound in it. Now some of them are k, e, o, a, s, and some of them are t, e, o, a, s. So we are going to do the syllables of the word. Instead of Fred talking it, we're going to split it into syllables. I'm going to say the full word, then I'm going to nod the syllables and read the word, and then it'll be your turn. Are we ready? Precious. 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 Delicious. Delicious. Suspicious. Suspicious. Ferocious. Ferocious. Excellent. These are some of the words that have the sh sound in them. Cious. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say the sound cious. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say cious, scrumptious, delicious. Are we ready? Let's see if I can trick you. Cious, scrumptious, delicious. Cious, scrumptious, delicious. Cious. 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 Good job. Remember, we have two ways of spelling this sound, but it makes one sound. T, e, o, a, s, or k, e, o, a, s. Cious. Now we're going to pop our card into our review pack. And we're going to see how speedy we are at the sounds that we already know. Magnet eyes on the cards. Are we ready? Oh, there it is. What sound does this make? That's correct. Cious. Well done, guys. Tell your adult you're super speedy at your sounds. Okay, we're going to move on to our green words. Okay? Now, instead of Fred talking our word, we're going to spot the special friends and then say the syllables of that word. Now remember, the grey line is how many syllables are in that word. So this is 1 syllable and this is 2 syllables. Does that make sense? So Miss Bren will do one to start off with, okay? So we can see it here. Special friend, cious, with a curly K. How many syllables? Vicious. Vicious. 2 syllable word. Okay, moving on to our next one. The sound, the special friend, is cious. Good job. Curly K, cious. And the syllables are excellent. Let's do that together. Delicious. Delicious. Next one. Our sound is syllables. 2 syllable word. Let's do it together. Vicious. Vicious. Our sound. Curly K again. Curly K, o, s, which makes the sound cious. Syllables. Ferocious. Ferocious. Your turn. Good job. Next one. Okay. Special friends. Cious. With a T. Now we're going to see if we can Fred talk this. Are we ready? S, K, a, m, p. Cious. Scrumptious. How many syllables does that have? Well done. 2. Scrumptious. Scrumptious. Okay, special friends. Cious with a curly K. Let's say the syllables. I will point to them and you're going to say them. Are we ready? How many syllables? That's right, 3. Let's do it together. Suspicious. Suspicious. Last one. Special friend. Cious. Fred, syllables. 2 syllable word. Precious. Precious. Well done, guys. That was super syllables. Okay, we're moving on to our speedy read. Now, these are words that we already know. So we're going to see how fast we can speedy read them. Are we ready? Okay, let's go. And to finish off with the tricky ones. Temperature. Congratulations. Your turn. Super speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay, our final one is our red tricky words. Now these are words that we just have to learn and speedy read. Okay, setting up like readers. Magnet eyes on the cards. Let's see how speedy we can read our red tricky words. Let's go. You are super speedy at your red tricky words, boys and girls. Can you give yourselves a huge, big, massive, fantastic? You have learned a new sound today. You've learned how to say and how to read the sound shiss. Give yourself a huge, big marshmallow clap. Thank you for listening, boys and girls.